I think this hourglass block is one of my favorites to make now. And as a beginner quilter myself, I want to take the fear out of just trying. Done is so much better than perfect, because the more we get done, the more perfect they become. Let's get into the tutorial.
Starting off with 4 5-inch squares in 3 different colors. I recommend making 2 of your squares white or a lighter color. As you see, we're going to lay those squares right sides together, and we're going to turn them into half square triangles. So find the center and mark 1/4 inch on either side of that center, and then sew right on both of those lines that you just drew. Now to fully create our half square triangles, we're going to cut right down the middle, and then either press the seams open or press them towards the darker fabric. Now we're going to cut these again to make 1/4 square triangles. This is what's really going to help us build that hourglass shape, and make sure that you repeat this process with all of your squares. Now you're just going to put it together like a puzzle. Find the pieces that match together correctly to make the hourglass shape, and then lay them all out together to create your block in whatever way you creatively see fit. Then take your 1/4 square triangles and put them right sides together and sew 1/4 inch down each one. I then evenly squared each of these down to 4 inches. The last part is we got to create the main block, so put your layout together, put each row right sides together and sew 1 row at a time, then put those 2 rows together right sides together. Make sure that you're pressing your seams in between so that everything lays down nicely. That was before I pressed my seams, but this is after. You see the difference? And then with those 2 rows together, sew 1/4 inch to finish your block.
And we're done. I love this block because there's so many different possibilities that you can build off of this. But I'm so glad we could do this together. Thank you for learning with me. Happy sewing.